Let's see how you can get more 5-star reviews on Google and also make more sales and revenue using a simple reputation management chatbot. So in this video, I'm going to show a live demo on the WhatsApp channel, but you can actually make this particular chatbot works on other channels like Messenger, Instagram, DM as well. So the idea is to, let's say you have a local business. So it can be any kind of a restaurant, cafe, or even a local gym as well. So the idea is to just provide some kind of incentive for your customers to visit your business again and again. So in this case, we actually took 30% discount as just an example. So the idea is to just provide them 30% discount on their next visit. So this is how this actually works. So you can actually ask the customers to scan a particular kind of QR code, looks like this, when they actually leave your business area or business, or when they actually check out from your business. And another thing is that you can actually ask your customers to DM a particular kind of keyword like review to this particular phone number. So this actually works on WhatsApp. You can even make this works for the SMS channels as well. So let me show a live demo how this actually works. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to DM this particular keyword review over here. So this also works when you scan that particular QR code as well. So I'm just going to go with the review. So this actually prompt the customer to ask about their experience. So as you see here, thanks for visiting us. Can you please share your experience so far? Select a rating below 1 to 5. You may be eligible for a 30% discount on your next visit. So this actually simply asks the customers about the experience over here. So instead of them going directly to Google or Yelp or any other kind of review sites and leaving bad reviews, you can simply direct all your customers to this kind of a WhatsApp chatbot, or that can actually works on any other channels as well. Ask their experience on the chatbot itself. So let's say if I choose like 5-star or 4-star, then also it simply asks the customers to leave a review on Google as well, and also provide the 30% discount as well. So if I choose a lesser rating like 3-star, 2-star or 1-star, it simply asks what particular thing actually they didn't went wrong or something like that. So it simply collects the negative feedback as well, and also then it simply provides them with the discount as well. So let me show how this actually works. So this time let me choose 5-star over here. So I have just choose 5-star, and let's see what happens over here. It says, thank you. Since you were helpful giving us the feedback, we think your answers could also help other customers feel confident about our brand, knowing that peers like you enjoy using it. Would you consider sharing your honest experience on Google as a review? It simply asks the customers, would you like to leave a review on Google? So if they click this button, review now, what happens is that it simply take them directly to the Google review page of your business. So they don't need to actually waste their time spending or searching for your business on Google Maps, those kind of things. As you see here, it simply take them directly to the review page, and they can simply select the rating and simply add a review as well. So it's that much easy for a customer to leave a review over here. So I'm not going to provide any reviews over here. So let me go back over here, and as you see here, within just 20-30 seconds, the customer is also receiving another message over here. It says 30% off customer ID, and as you see here, it says the customer ID is just a phone number and also expires on November 9 2023, and it simply says, please share this message to the cashier on your next visit and receive a generous 30% discount as our heartfelt appreciation. So it's just inviting the customer to show this image within 21 days. So as you see here, please note that this offer only valid for next 21 days. So make sure to available yourself for this exclusive discount before November 9 2023. So because the today's date is October 19, and if you actually add like 21 days, it will be November 9. So that's why it says this particular offer for the customer is actually expiring on November 9th. So they have to visit this particular business again within this particular date to get that particular 30% discount. And also, as you see, it simply sent another message for your customers asking, just wanted to follow up to see if you got a chance to leave us a review on Google. So it simply just follow up with them, asking them if they got a chance to leave a review on Google as well. So whatever these messages, for example this particular follow-up message, we can actually delay that particular message or like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or even few hours as well. And also these particular messages we can delay a little bit as well. So the idea is to just to get more responses, or just to push customers to leave a review as well. Let's say if I choose not yet, it simply tell them it will take just a few seconds, something like that. So it says no need to stress, taking a moment to share your thoughts on Google would mean to world to us. It's super quick and easy, just few seconds of your time. Click the link below to go directly to the review. And also it's again send the follow-up messages as well. As I mentioned, this follow-up messages can be delayed a little bit as well, like 5-10 minutes or 15 minutes, something like that, so to provide a better experience for the customers. But for this demo I have reduced this particular delays to few seconds, so that's why we actually receiving these messages over there. So let's see, this time I choose I left the review, something like that, and let's see what it says for us over here. And it says, wow, this is truly amazing, thank you from the bottom of our hearts, your support means the world to us. So this is how this particular flow looks like. And if we go to this particular Google Sheet, we can actually find all the information, the phone number, the name, Chatting Media, the rating, and also we confirmed we actually left the review on Google, so that's why it says true over here. So let's say if a particular customer says a negative feedback over here, let's see how this actually works. So let me preview that particular demo as well. So as I mentioned, we can trigger this chatbot by sending this keyword review. So let me send this keyword review again, and as you see, I removed that particular previous data on the Google Sheet. So now this time I'm going to choose a 1-star rating, so not a fan. Now let's see what happens over here. So instead of pushing them to Google, it simply asks them, while we hope you'd be happy about your visit, we appreciate you're willing to provide with the constructive criticism. What could we do to make your experience better? Please type below. So it simply collect the negative feedback. So the food, let me answer, food was not tasty. So this is just an example if it is a restaurant, but it can actually works for other businesses as well, as I mentioned. And as you see here, it simply says, thank you for your feedback, we will review it with our team and ensure better customer experience. And it still provide them with a 30% discount as well. So even if the food is not tasty or something like that, even if they have bad experience, they actually get a chance to visit this particular business again by getting this kind of a discount for them as well. So if I press this particular get 30% discount, it simply provide them with this particular 30% discount. And for this particular customer, we won't prompt them to leave a review on Google because their experience is bad at the moment. So we only provide them with the 30% discount, as you see here. And in the Google Sheet, you can find that particular data. So the phone number, the name, the rating, and here the negative feedback also collected. And another interesting thing is that you can check that particular chat, so this particular conversation in our omnichannel inbox as well. So if I go to this particular inbox, we can check the exact chat over here, and as you see here, we can find all the chats details over here, and an agent can jump in and talk with the customer as well. So here this particular customer actually shared they actually had a very bad experience, mentioning the food was not tasty, something like that. So agent can jump in and ask them their billing details, or what they have actually ordered, or what is their bill number, something like that. And so if I send this message hi over here, we will receive this message in the WhatsApp itself as well, as you see here. So likewise, an agent can jump in and chat with this particular customer to understand more about why they actually get a negative feedback or negative experience in your business. So by doing this kind of strategy for your business, you can simply generate more 5-star reviews on the Google, and also helps you to make more sales as well. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.